Okay, so I just got these in the mail. And let's take a look and see what they are. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of, no, 3 pairs, I'm sorry, of, here, let me show you. BKIEO. Oh, here we go. BKIEO underwear. I'm not quite sure what this part right here is, but I think that this is where you store this. Hang on. I think that this is where you would store an extra pair of tube socks. Yeah, you just shove them in there like that. You see what I mean? And that way you've got, just in case you need them. You follow me? All right. So anyway, you get a pair of gray ones, right? You get a pair of blue ones. Ooh, these feel nice. You get blue ones. Let me show you. Get some blue ones. And you get a pair of some black ones. Just like that. All right. So anyway, that's it. I don't think I'm going to model them. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on these fashion statements. Peace out.